She's Charmi Prasad and she was 22 years old. She worked as a sales executive in a private firm. Yesterday, on 16 December 2019, she boarded a train from Dombivli to CSMT. She managed to board the train, but the train was extremely crowded. The train then left for Kopar railway station. She was hanging at the door of the crowded train when she fell and sustained dangerous injuries. The women then informed the GRP that a woman had fallen from the train. The police rushed to the spot and found that she was alive. She was taken to Shastri Nagar Hospital. The doctors tended to her bleeding injuries. However, she died due to her dangerous injuries. Charmi's family are extremely angry and felt bad that they lost their daughter. They blamed the Central Railways and said it was their mistake. Also, women passengers blocked the entrance of the train, making it difficult for people to enter. This is wrong. They must move. They were very angry and will take strict action against them. She wasn't the first girl to fall from the train. 4 times people have fallen from the trains before Kopra railway station. In 2015, 2016, 2017 and 2018, here are the total number of deaths from falling off trains. That's a lot. Charmi's family has said that the Central Railway must increase the number of coaches as the trains are overcrowded. The Central Railway said that many people travel from Dombivli to CSMT for work. In a day, 3.5 lakh people use the train. Also, Dombivli is developing due to new housing projects, as many people from Mumbai are shifting to Dombivli due to rising prices. This is why it is developing. Central Railway authorities have said that a 15-coach special train was started from Dombivli to CSMT. An activist said that the railways must construct more railway lines. There must not be a single railway line for one train. There must be multiple railway tracks to reduce overcrowding of trains.